Sweetie, I got something to tell you, okay? I know over the years I've been very, very toxic and stuff like that. And I told you that I'll change, you know, and I haven't really changed. And I'm sorry, and here on out, I think I will change, okay? I just wanted to apologize. I guess, like, one of the things that I did that was pretty toxic in this relationship, and I can tell you I'm not proud of it, It's that I separated you from your family. And I'm sorry for that. But I think I had good reason for doing that. I did it because I didn't think your parents would approve of me. I didn't think your family would approve of me. I didn't think they would accept our relationship. So I did what I did because I didn't want them to influence you. Like I didn't want anyone to influence you in our love. And I did it because I was afraid of losing you. And I didn't want to lose you, And I'm not proud of it. I'm not. And I know it's wrong, but at the time, I felt like that was the right move to keep you. So I did what I did. At the time, I was just so afraid of losing you, so I'm sorry. And also, how I separated you away from your friends specifically. I'm sorry. It's just that I knew they were gonna say things about me. Like, you can do better. He's not treating you right. Just stuff like that. Which is all true, I was afraid that I was gonna lose you and they would influence you and you would just find someone better. So I figured that if I isolated you from the world, isolated you from everyone, that I would be the only option. And I wanted to be the only option for you. I love you. And I was just afraid of losing you, I wanted all of your time to be mine, and I didn't want you to spend it with anyone else. And I know I can be controlling. Just a little bit controlling, not too much. But, I didn't want anyone to influence you whatsoever, so I did what I did and I isolated you from the world. I'm sorry. And I just wanted to let you know that I'm gonna do better. Things are gonna be different now. Okay. I'm not gonna manipulate you anymore. I'm not gonna be toxic. I know it's hard to believe. It is. But believe me, I'm gonna be a changed man. I am. And I love you so much. And sometimes I feel like you don't understand how much I love you. No, sure, sweetie. You can ask me anything. Oh, sweetie. You can't leave, okay? I don't think you understand what I did for you. I built this cage. Got everything in this room, and it was so hard to kidnap you. Took a lot of time and took a lot of planning. You know I love you very, very much, right? I do. I love you so much. You know, it's only been a month that you have been here, trapped in my basement. But trust me, over time, you will love me. I'll make sure of it. I'll do everything I can for you to love me. 'Cause you're my baby, and I'll always take care of you. You know that, right? So just stay here. You're gonna stay here until you love me. You understand, right? Yes, you do. Hey, don't call me crazy. You know how much I hate it when you call me crazy. I'm not crazy. I'm just crazy in love with you, that's all. No, sweetie, I'm just so madly in love with you. I'm not crazy at all. I can be a little bit much because I just love you too much. No, sweetie. If anything, you should be crazy in love with me. We should be madly crazy in love together. Imagine how fun that would be, wouldn't it? Me and you just madly in love. It's all in the matter of time. It's all in the matter of time that you'll love me. You will. You will love me so much. You know, I'm never gonna let you go. You're gonna be with me forever. Me and you. Here. Forever. I don't think you understand how much time it took me to get you here. I've been planning for so long, so long, to figure out a way how I can get you here. And now that I have you here, I'm never gonna let you go, and there's no way to leave. I put locks on every single door, so you cannot leave. You cannot leave here. So you, my dear, are gonna be stuck with me for a very, very long time. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun. There's so many things that we can do down here in this basement, in this cage. Oh, we can cuddle. We can hold hands. We can watch movies together. I can cook for you. And I'll buy you anything you want and I'll bring it back. And you'll be happy. You'll be happy doing things with me. I promise. I promise you'll be so happy. You'll love me. You'll learn to love me over time. I'm willing to do anything for you. I'm willing to change to be anything you want. For you to be. For you to accept me. And for me to be your perfect man. I just want you. And only you. And no one else. I love you so much that it hurts. And you'll be happy with me. And there's so many activities that we can do together. So, don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay. No, sweetie, you can't leave. I will never let you go. You'll never see your friends or family. You're just gonna be with me now on. Don't worry. I'll be your friend. I'll be your lover. You will not go. I love you too much to ever let you go. I don't think you understand how precious you are to me. And I don't think you understand how much I love my precious, precious girl. No, you're gonna feel better. I promise. Don't worry about the cage. Once I can trust you, maybe I can take the cage away, but I need to trust you. Right now is not the time for me to trust you. Do you understand? Okay? Once you love me, that's when I know that I can trust you. Then maybe I can give you a little bit more freedom, like walking around this basement. Don't worry, princess. Everything's gonna be okay. You just gotta understand that you love me. Like I love you. You just don't know that yet. No, sweetie, don't be sad. It's okay. Here, come cuddle with me. Come on. Don't be scared. Come here and cuddle right now. Good. Just like that. You know, sweetie, you really do have the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in my life. Your eyes are something special. And I'm not just saying that. I'm not just saying that to impress you. You know, your eyes sparkle. They do. They sparkle. Especially when you talk about something you love. And I mean, it's kind of distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it much. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in your beautiful eyes? I know I did. I'm serious. And sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. They have this unique beauty to them. But seriously, you should be really, really careful with eyes like those. Because you might steal someone's heart without even trying.